3, 2, 1, start. The collector shall on receipt of an application under subsection within bracket 1 conduct an inquiry after giving notice to all the persons interested and giving them a reasonable opportunity of being heard and make an award redetermining the amount of compensation payable to the applicant's stanza. Any person who has not accepted the award under subsection may be written application to the collector required that the matter be referred by the collector for the determination of the court and the provisions of sections 18 to 28 shall so far as may be apply to such reference as they apply to a reference under section 18 stop. From the perusal of section 28A within bracket 3 of the Act 1894, it appears that two parts of this provision are necessary. Stop. First is any person who has not accepted the award, and second is provisions of sections 18 and 28 of the Act 1894 shall also be applied to such reference as they are applied to reference under section 18 of the Act 1894 stop. Therefore, from the above part of section 28A within bracket 3 of the Act 1894, it is clear that this provision of is almost pari materia with section 18 of the Act 1894 regarding reference against the award of collector under section 18 of the Act 1894 stop. For the maintainability of the application for reference, a person must be personally interested. Therefore, the word any person mentioned in section 28A within bracket 3 of the Act 1894 can be interpreted as the person interested who has not accepted the award. Stop. Section 18 of the Act 1894 being a relevant provision for this controversy is being reproduced as under stop. Stanza 18. Reference to court within bracket 1. Any person interested who has not accepted the award may be written application to the collector require that the matter be referred by the collector for the determination of the court whether his objection be to the measurement of the land, the amount of the compensation, the person to whom it is payable, or the appointment of the compensation among the persons interested. Stop. The application shall state the grounds on which objection to the award is taken. Stop. Provided that every such application shall be made. Stop. If the person making it was present or represented before the collector at the time when he made his award within 6 weeks from the date of the collector's award. Stop. Stanza. In other cases, within 6 weeks of the receipt of the notice from the collector under section 12 subsection within bracket 2 or within 6 months from the date of the collector's award, whichever period shall first expire. Stop. Stanza. Without prejudice to the provisions of subsection within bracket 1, the Land Reforms Commissioner may, where he considers the amount of compensation allowed by the award under section 11 to be excessive, require the collector that the matter be referred by him to the court for determination of the amount of compensation. Stop. Explanation. In any case of land under Chapter 7, the requisition under this subsection may be made by the Land Reforms Commissioner at the request of the company on its undertaking to pay all the costs consequent upon such requisition. Stop. Stanza. The requisition shall state the grounds on which objections to the award is taken and shall be made within 6 months from the date of the award. Stop. Stanza. Term persons interested has been defined by the Honorable Supreme Court in the judgment of Himalayan Tiles and Marbles Private Limited versus Francis Victor (dead) reported in 1983 SCC 223 and Union of India and another versus Sher Singh and others reported in 1993 1 SCC 608. Stop. In both the judgments, the Honorable Supreme Court though clearly held that the person interested also includes the beneficiary of land, therefore they also have the right to be heard or to file an objection before the court during reference by taking into consideration section 50 (2) of the Act 1894, which is being reproduced as under. Stop. Stanza. In any proceeding held before a collector or court, in such cases the local authority or company concerned may appear and adduce evidence for the purpose of determining the amount of compensation. Stop. Over.